Alright, folks, here comes the Amtrak Capitol Corridor Train 536. This train is headed to Sacramento at Emeryville Station on top of the overpass right now. So, a cat car is leading this one off. A cat car. Oops, I'm trying to straighten up my tripod right now, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. So, anyway, this is 536 to Sacramento. I think it's going to be 6965 Point St. George in 2012 on there. That's it. So, yeah. Excellent zoom by me. All right, 6965 Point St. George. What that said. I guess David Jones was right. 6965 Point St. George. M59 PHI 2012 is on that one.
General seating is upstairs. General seating is upstairs. Downstairs, seniors and disabled officers. Last call for 536. Last call, doors are closed.
Alright folks, Amtrak Capitol Corridor Train 536 to Sacramento. Eyeballing out of Emeryville Station. 6965 Point St. George leading off. And the YOA 78 is coming. There it goes, folks, off to Sacramento. Okay, he's switching track. Alright folks, I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.